Hi there, this is a video tutorial for Optizen Video Upsell. In this video, we're going to look at getting started with the first campaign after you've installed the app, and we'll be using your existing videos or videos you already own. You may have them on your YouTube channel, on your TikTok channel, or have them on your local machine, for example, and they can be used in your campaigns. So you'll be presented with this dashboard screen. The first thing you want to do is click Create Video Upsell Campaign. Then you'll be presented with this single upsell product page video upsell section. At the moment, this is the option we have available where upsells are presented on the product page. We have a number of other campaign options coming very soon. Then you can either select Add Individually or Bundle with Current Product. Add Individually means that when the upsell product is on the product page and the user clicks Add to Cart, then only the upsell product will be added to the cart. If you select Bundle with Current Product, then the upsell product plus the main product on that page will be added to the cart and also to checkout. So we're going to select Bundle with Current Product for this example. Then if you scroll on down, we can give this campaign a name. Then you'll see you'll be presented with the type of videos you can add. So because this is a tutorial on using your existing videos that you own, we can either choose a YouTube video, a Vimeo video, TikTok video. You can upload your own video. That's a file. The option at the bottom is for generating AI video, which will be in another video. So if you click on YouTube video, you can simply select a video from your channel. So I've selected a YouTube short, so you can add shorts URLs in here, and then also you can add in the standard format YouTube video. The system will actually determine the dimensions from the video you've added automatically. You could do the same for Vimeo, or maybe you could also add your TikTok URL. So for TikTok URLs, you can add them in this format where you have the username, the video, and generally we delete out the query because it's not required. For this example, we are just going to go back and use our YouTube short. Add in our YouTube short. Scroll on down and you can see here it says it will be automatically detecting the dimensions. Okay, continue to product setup. And here's where you're going to select your upsell product. So to add your upsell, obviously you need to have that as a product in your store. So we will search for our product. There's a product we're going to add as our upsell. Next, you can give it a no discount, a percentage off, or a fixed amount. We'll give it a percentage off, and let's just give it 25% off. Continue to purchase triggers. Here's where you can set the trigger for when you want the upsell to show. If you leave it on all products, then the upsell will be shown obviously on all products, all collections, etc. Or you can select specific products. You can set for specific products by name. You can set products based on order value. So we will just give it, generally we do set an order value between 1 and value X, just to make sure we cover all our options. So I'm going to set it between 1 and 10,000 for the maximum order value. Product tags. You can add in a tag and hit the enter button or click add, and that'll add the tag. So now the upsell will only be shown on products with this tag, and you could do the same for collections. So for this particular example, we are only going to show our upsell on products that have this particular tag, and with a minimum order value between 1 and 10,000. Customer targeting, we can set for all customers, new customers, or returning customers. We'll just leave it as all customers. Click continue to preview. And here you can see the final summary of your campaign. Campaign priority, this is important. So what this is, it's a value between 0 and 100. If, for example, you set up a number of different campaigns and there is similar targeting or duplicate targeting on those campaigns, then the campaign with the highest priority will show on that particular page. So it just gives a little more control when you have multiple campaigns running. We'll just set that for 10, save as draft. And you can see it gives it a campaign ID. You can open the theme customizer. That'll be another video. So that opening the theme customizer, we then go and edit or customize our upsell app block that will show on the product page. So it's customized to your theme. View the setup instructions. So it basically explains that you can go and do that. So what we'll do now though is go to the dashboard, and we can see that our test was actually created here. This was a previous campaign, so we could just delete this one out. Campaign has been deleted. And now you've got all the campaign details here. No views and conversions, obviously, because it's not live yet. You can go back in and edit the campaign. You can duplicate the campaign, delete the campaign. And to turn the campaign on, you would just toggle on, and then the campaign is live based on that targeting. But because we have not customized our app block yet, we'll just leave it turned off for now. Okay, so that's how you create a campaign with your own existing video, YouTube, Vimeo, or TikTok.